Day after day and one desperate night after another, searching for you. The ice cold wind, and looking for something, anything that might lead me to you, and not even a trace. Well, apart from the one red shoe. Ein roter Schuh? Aber wo bist du? Tell me where I am. Where are you now, babe? Wo bist du? Where are you now, babe? Can you feel? Can you see? This face, dein Gesicht. No one could look upon your face and not want to hold you, touch you, caress you, possess you. A few moments from now I will hold you, and everything will be alright. Come on, please tell me I'm right. Where are you now, babe? Wo bist du? Searching for you. I can't feel it. I can't see it.
Newsflash. Im Fall Genie, der vor Jahren großes bundesweites Interesse erregte, gibt es nach Auskunft der Polizei neue Erkenntnisse. Laut Polizeibericht wurde der zweite Schuh des bisher vermissten Mädchens zwischenzeitlich gefunden. Die Polizei geht nun davon aus, dass Genie noch lebt.
Where are you now, babe?